guys, so I am back with the second Bath Bevy box, and I think that this is Shark Week. So let's take a peek. Must be, because look at all this oceanic paper that's in there. Sparkly! So let's take a peek at what's in here. My cat is working my last nerve right now because he thinks it's feeding time. Yep, Shark Week. Here is the card. And on the back, it tells you what products are in the box. Even the card smells good. I'm so excited. All right, so first we have some solid sugar scrub scoops. I haven't had solid sugar scrub for a while, actually, like a really long while, maybe the summer before last. I haven't even seen them. So this is by Crescent City Swoon, and I'm trying to see where it is here. Here it is. Seaside Sugar Scrub Gumdrops by Crescent City Swoon. And it's a lovely combination of sea spray and watery florals. This is awesome. It smells invigorating. Love it. Next, y'all, it's a bath bomb. You guys know I'm all about bath bomb. And this is another company I haven't tried yet. This is Savage Fish Suds. This is called Jawsome. And it is scented in a blend of pineapple, grapefruit, and orange. Again, another bath bomb or another product that I love the scent of. I know you guys have heard me say it a billion times. I'm not particularly a bakery scent chick. And none of this stuff has really been bakery other than that soap. And soap is okay. I just don't like it in a bath bomb. All right. Next. Is this another bath bomb? Is it another one? Oh my gosh, this thing looks so... It's two. What is Luxury Wellness? One of my faves. Certainly, most definitely have used her before. This is a twin set of Double Trouble Shark Bath Bomb. I guess they're meant to be used together. We shall see. Scented in sweet black cherries. These smells pretty darn good. And it's Luxury Wellness. Come on now. Come on now. All right. So the next item is another bath bomb. So excited. I love a bath bomb. This is, oh, Hip Modern Soap. I haven't had Hip Modern Soap in probably a year. I love, oh, this smells so freaking good. This smells awesome. What? Let me look at my card. But look at the little Sharky at the top. I like Hip Modern Soap because they make those, you know, they give you the option on most bath bombs, if they're like round bath bombs, to also have a cubed bath bomb. And when I first used Hip Modern Soap, it was the first cubed bath bomb I had seen. Now they're everywhere, but I started using them like 2-3 years ago. So, all right, this smells awesome. It smells almost masculine. So let's see what this says, because I can't read what this says. All right. Shark Attack Bath Bomb by Hip Modern Soap. And as luck would have it, it doesn't have the scent on there. So let me see if there's a scent on here. I do not see a scent on here. But let me tell you, it smells amazing. Again, it's sort of like a masculine scent. I love it. I wonder if there's going to be any red in there. That would be awesome. And I think that's at 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there might be one more product. Oh, there's 2 more products in here. All right. Packed chock full. This is Bite Me Body Spray by Bath Bevy. Yes. It's kind of like, you know, heavy even. I'm not smelling the freaking bottle. How crazy is that? Crisp as Bite Me is. I've had lots of bath bombs in the Bite Me scent. So I'm quite familiar with that scent. All right. And then this last one is a cupcake bath bomb, Shark Encounter by Bath Bevy. And let me see. Look, it's a cute little cupcake. Separate the cupcake frosting and use as a bubble bar. Excellent. And then, yeah. Smells sweet. It doesn't have a scent. Let me read it again. Yeah, it doesn't have a scent on there. Let me see if it has it here. No, but it does smell sweet and nice. Awesome bath bomb. Nice little shark there at the top. It could also be a witch's hat. Who knows? But since this is a Shark Week box, I say it's a shark fin. All right. And then what else did we have? We had the two Double Trouble, the two sharks by Luxury Wellness, which is awesome. It's 2 for 1, guys. I'm so happy this box is filled with bath bombs because I'm a bath bomb girl. And then Savage Fish Suds gave us the Jawsome Bath Bomb. And I'm excited to try them, honestly. I don't know why I haven't tried them. Sometimes there's just no rhyme or reason. Or I've seen them, I follow them, I like their posts, I like other people when they demo their stuff, and then I turn around and don't buy because I'm an idiot, evidently. This smells awesome. This is Shark Attack, and this is by Hip Modern Soap. Hip Modern Soap, the home of the cubed bath bomb. I had one from them that was not only cubed, but it was just striped different colors, and it made such a beautiful bath bomb demo. This is from Crescent City Swoon Seaside Solid Sugar Scrub Soaps. Look like little bonbons. I thought I smelled this earlier, but now I'm thinking maybe what I was smelling was the scent of something else on the package, because now I can't smell it. Yeah, I don't know. All right, and then last but not least, the Bite Me Body Spray by Bath Bevy. So excited. Thank you so much for allowing me to try out your products, Bath Bevy. I am super, super stoked. Everything was freaking amazing. I'm going to use a bath bomb tonight. And I really was trying not to stray from Halloween bath bombs, but sharks are kind of scary too, right? All right, guys. That's it for Bath Bevy and the second unboxing Shark Week box. That's it for Bath Bevy, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.